Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to complete quests on AFK Arena. So let's get started. First, open the AFK Arena game on your mobile device. Tap on the quest option from the top right corner of your screen. In the quest section, you can choose from daily, weekly or campaign quests. Select the quest you want to complete. Once you have selected your quest, tap on the Go button next to it. Now you can simply follow the on-screen instructions and complete the quest. And this is how you can complete quests on AFK Arena. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.